Hey, what is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create your websites into apps, okay, on your desktop. So basically what I mean by that is you would have a desktop icon which you can double click and it will open up that specific website in an app format. Alright, so you can do this in both Chrome as well as not Internet Explorer, but Microsoft Edge, right? The new one that you have. So make sure to upgrade to that one. And personally, I like the Edge one a lot better than the Chrome one. All right, so this is the new Microsoft Edge, and you guys can see if you haven't seen it, it looks a lot more better than the original Edge, right? The way to get it is, I believe now Microsoft probably has it added to automatically in their updates, but if you still don't have it, you can go to their website on Microsoft Edge, whatever, just Google that, and it should give you their website to download the newer version of it. All right, so let's say, for example, I want to go to YouTube. Alright, here I'm at YouTube and I want to download this as an app. Okay, so it's really simple. What I would do is click the settings on the top right, click apps and manage apps. Okay, so I already have YouTube installed, so let me uninstall that. Okay, so let's go back here. So go to apps and then you want to press install this site as an app. So what do you want to call the app? Whatever you call it, press install. And you can see right here, this is the app. It's basically the web page in like a specific window. You can see it's still a browser, but it doesn't have the URL bar, which in my opinion is a lot better, right? It's a lot cooler. It looks a lot more professional, right? And in terms of if you are using for a site which you don't want to be distracted that often, you can definitely install in an app. Since it's not technically a full browser where you can search other sites, you can just install this and then you'll be sticking to this more often. All right, so that's how you do it in Microsoft Edge, right? And I believe if I go to the desktop right here, I have the app right here. So let's close this, and you can see if I double click it, it opens up again. So yeah, it opens up in this window. It's really nice, cool. Definitely recommend this. So now let's check it out in, what is this other one? Chrome. So let's choose this site for Chrome. So it's very similar. You want to click this setting on the top right, go to more tools, and then you want to do create shortcut. All right, so now let's just name it. I don't want to put that full long name. Let's just do Stack Overflow, create, and let's close Chrome. You can see right here. So it created that icon. You want to double click it. It is a little slower than the Microsoft Edge one, but the Chrome one, you can see that it opens it in an actual browser, right? You still have the URL bar on top. You have all that. It's like a regular browser, right? And compare that to the Microsoft Edge one, which looks more of like an app itself, okay? Like a regular desktop application. And in my opinion, I think that is a lot better. That looks more professional, and that is what I would be aiming for when doing this. Okay, so yeah, that's just a really quick way on how to basically create an app or a desktop icon for a website, right? So if you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.